In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your Base44 app. We'll walk through the exact steps you need to take inside Base44 so your app can be listed as a template that other people can purchase and use. I'll guide you slowly through the interface, explain what each action does, and share a few tips to make the process smoother. First, from your Base44 workspace, look for the main navigation where you can see all your apps. Here, you'll want to click on Dashboard. The dashboard is your central control panel. It's where you can access each app you've created, check their status, and manage different aspects of your projects. Make sure you're in the correct app that you actually want to sell before moving on. Once you're in the right place on the dashboard, the next step is to click on Settings. Settings is usually where all the important configuration options live, and in this case, it's where you'll find everything related to making your app available to others. Take a moment to let the page fully load so you can see all the tabs and options clearly. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled App Template and click on it. Turning your app into a template is essentially how you package it for sale. This tells Base44 that this app isn't just for your own use anymore. It's something you want to offer to other users as a starting point for their own projects. Now, within the app template area, find and click on Public. Setting your template to public is what makes it discoverable. A public template can be browsed, previewed, and purchased by other people, depending on how Base44 handles their marketplace or template library. If it's not set to public, no one will be able to find it, even if everything else is set up correctly. After that, click on Create. This is where the actual template entry is created. Think of it like creating a product listing. When you click Create, Base44 will generate a new template record that you can configure with all the details buyers will see. At this point, you need to fill in details. This usually includes a clear template name, a short and long description, and possibly tags or categories. Write a name that explains what your app does, and use the description to highlight the main features, the ideal user, and any requirements. If you can add screenshots or a thumbnail, choose visuals that show off the core value of the app. These details make your listing more attractive and help potential buyers understand what they're getting. Before your template can actually be sold, you'll need to upgrade your plan first if you're not already on a plan that supports selling or publishing templates. Look for any messaging or banners indicating that an upgrade is required. Follow the upgrade flow and choose the plan that includes template selling or marketplace access. Make sure your billing information is up to date so you don't run into interruptions later. Once your plan is upgraded and your template details are in place, all that's left is to follow the on-screen prompts. Base44 will usually guide you through any remaining steps, such as confirming pricing, review, or publishing. Carefully read each prompt, confirm your choices, and complete the process until you see a confirmation that your template is live or submitted. And that's it. By going from Dashboard into Settings, enabling App Template, making it public, creating the listing, filling in all the details, upgrading your plan, and following the prompts, you'll have your Base44 app ready to sell to other users.